You don't have to quit drinking altogether. This is the world's first Drink Less program, celebrated the world over for its 97% success rate. If you want to get healthier, if you want to feel good about how much you drink, this program is for you. If you know alcohol is affecting your life but don't want to quit completely, this 7-day Drink Less Mind program is guaranteed to help you get off the drinking too much treadmill. Watch the entire video above and you will discover the fastest and easiest ways to drink less, without anybody knowing how you did it. The results are quick and effective. Cravings disappear, replaced with healthier drinking habits. 100% guaranteed to reduce your alcohol consumption by up to 50% in just 1 week or more, no matter how much you used to drink. The best alcohol reduction program the world has ever seen before. Approved by thousands of prominent doctors, scientists and health professionals. Starts working immediately, and the good news is, you don't have to quit drinking for the program to work. Become that happier, healthier drinker you really are without all the guilt and anxiety. Learn to regularly drink less and feel good about what you drink, when and why. Say goodbye old guilty ways of drinking and say hello to a natural, drink less approach. No more sneaky drinking or pretending that you are drinking less than you are. Get rid of the booze belly once and for all without having to think about it. As seen on Sky News, The Morning Show, and publications such as Good Housekeeping, Psychology's Magazine, The Times, The Guardian and The Telegraph. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. 7 scientifically proven steps to drink less alcohol without willpower. Warning: this method is not conventional. Look, you may have tried other conventional methods. If those work for you, that's great. But, let's face it, you wouldn't be here if you had a solution. If you've tried other treatments, if you've spent time and money on rehab, therapy, or 12-step programs, and you feel like you've tried everything, then you're in the right place. This tried and tested program has helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world drink less, no matter what they were like before this program. It's time for you to manage your drinking. Don't let it manage you. Can you imagine being able to stop worrying about how much you drink? The best thing about this program is that you will learn how to stop worrying about drinking less and just do it, easily and effectively. Start living your life while still enjoying drinking, but just less of it, without the stresses and strains that used to come with it. Sounds too simple? Trust me, no matter how much you used to drink, you have the power to control your drinking. And I can show you how. The fact is that many doctors, counselors and psychologists put everyone who drinks too much in one box labeled problem drinkers. But everyone is different. The reason you drink too much may be very different from other people's reasons. I'm guessing you've tried to drink less before without success, and that's why you're reading this now. Or, maybe, you had some success, but eventually you wound up going back to your old ways, and you feel awful about it. My name is Georgia Foster. I'm an alcohol reduction expert, and I've been helping people discover how to drink less with a simple, yet highly effective, results-based program. My special program has been featured in the Sunday Times, the Daily Mail, Psychology's Magazine and Good Housekeeping, as well as being regularly featured on Sky News and The Morning Show, just to name a few. Listen, maybe you have been told that you need to drink less by your husband or sister or, even worse, one of your children. How stressful is that when someone you love tells you that you need to drink less? Do you find that outside criticism about your drinking triggers any of the following behaviors? Sneaky drinking, quick drinking because you feel anxious, feel there is something wrong with you which makes you drink more. Become an all or nothing drinker so you can prove to them and yourself that you don't always drink. If you check any of these boxes, it's time to move on and learn to drink less now. And the good news is, you don't have to tell anyone. Unlike AA or abstaining, you will naturally be drinking less, while feeling calmer and more confident around the people who used to monitor or judge you about your drinking. This program works for anyone. Whether you're male or female, younger or older, and no matter what your drinking history is like. Today is the day. You have the power to change your life. Endless hours and new age approach not required. In just 25 minutes you'll be on your way to drinking less. Simply put, if you have a history of drinking too much, you can put those days behind you. 7 Days to Drink Less is a program like no other you will have come across before. 7 Days to Drink Less is backed up by the neuroscientists of this world. My unique approach uses a combination of very specific hypnotic techniques along with a powerful psychology that will shift your thinking away from unhelpful drinking, and into a state of trust about your ability to drink in a slower and calmer way. This is a one-of-a-kind approach. Developing this program, and helping people control their drinking has been my life's work. The reality is, even if you had the time to read every book on neuroscience, brain training, and you traveled the world to learn with the best Jungian psychologists on the planet, you might be able to get similar results, maybe. You could also look all over the internet to find out what works and doesn't work, and you might find solutions out there that work, but I never did. But, if you know you have a problem, and you're serious about a solution, you can save yourself a lot of time and angst by downloading 7 Days to Drink Less now. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.